Hello and welcome, Greg here from Volkswagen Van Center X. I'm showing you today this approved used Volkswagen crafted long wheelbase here in the Commerce trim. Key highlights here include these upgraded LED headlights with signature shaped daytime running lights, while steel wheels around the side will have you worried about scuffing any alloy wheels. In the rear, the story is no different with signature shaped tail lights for your crafter, and this model even features a fixed tow bar. The load area will feature reinforced bulkhead with ambient lighting, carpet flooring and even tether hooks to tie down loose items, and in the front stylishly designed cabin will feature two-tone cloth upholstery with upgraded driver's seat featuring armrests and even electric lamp support with a massage function. The driver will further enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering with paddle shift, operating the full digital cockpit, whilst the floating infotainment touchscreen is a joy to use, unlocking the likes of easy-to-pair Bluetooth telephony, FM and DAB digital radio, as well as numerous other vehicle system settings. Best of all, wireless AppleCarPlay and wireless AndroidAuto are available, and this model benefits from the upgraded rear view parking camera, which offers wide-angle lens and even tow bar preparation to help line you up. Fully complemented by front and rear parking sensors, there is so much more on offer with a host of active safety systems to scan the road ahead. For the music fans, there is also an adjustable speaker sound system, and whatever the weather, easy to use air conditioning has been upgraded with winter pack heated front seats, and down below you'll find twin USB Type-C chargers. This has been a presentation of the approved used Volkswagen crafted long wheelbase that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.